Jans here. Just got my hands on a Dana 44 ELocker. This here is 3 series carrier. There's your part number. And the goal here is what's it take to put an ELocker in a Dana 44 high pinion front end with Dana 50 gears, because that's my Dana 54 kit. We take out the 8.5 inch Dana 44 gears and put in the 9 inch diameter Dana 50 high pinion. Alright, so after doing several of these, I have determined that the average distance between the edge of the bearing and the edge of the ring gear, or face of the carrier, is about 2 3/32. Okay? Now, over here on the ELocker, when I made that same measurement, I discovered with no bearing on it at all that I was about 2 1/8. About 60 thousandths too much between here and here. So, real simple, fix that. Right here, you'll notice on the other side, I only had to do it to the other side, but this side you've got about a 90 thousandths chamfer right there. Alright, so on this side, I did it in a lathe, but you could do it with a grinder. I just ground that down. Just ground it right down. So basically I just went to the edge of the chamfer. And now I got a little extra room. So, if you put a regular bearing on there, now the regular bearing stands out proud about an 1/8 inch. Now that then would be too wide again to get to that 2/090 dimension. Alright, so the Dana 54 kit comes with a machine bearing. As you can see, there's about 100 thousandths difference in height there. So when you put this guy on, now you're just about flush. Now you're just about flush. Alright, so to get it about right, for starters, you would start with a 30 thousandth shim and then shim your backlash in accordingly. Let's see, what else did I have to do to get the 44 ELocker into the 44 high pinion with the 50 ring and pinion? The Dana 50 ring gear bolts are 7/16. The ELocker is drilled for 1/2 inch and 3/8. Upon reaming the 3/8 to 7/16, I discovered I had a clearance issue on that shoulder. But not to worry, 10 minutes with a little slitting wheel, and I was able to just make my own little fly cut there. And it really only took away, you get in here, you see that chamfer right there? Really only took away the chamfer. So I left all the metal I could, and now the bolt spins freely. So that's what it takes to get the Dana 50 9 inch ring and pinion into a 44 high pinion Ford housing. Oh, well, with an ELocker.